Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has identified Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.4. Let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has incurred a loss of 12.71%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.59% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated in the lower section of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which generally represents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $19.77 is breached, it will primarily indicate a slower pace of increase, but it could also serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. The present 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 20.60% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between 18.53% and 72.13%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis forecasts a negative change of 12.43%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -67.72% and +106.66% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $6.49 and $41.58. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, "Significant movements in Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price on Thursday, with a fluctuation of 11.15% between high and low." The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price fell by 8.04% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025, dropping from $21.88 to $20.12. During the last trading day, the stock varied by 11.15%, reaching a low of $19.77 and a high of $21.98. The price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days, but is still down by 17.78% during this period. The volume increased on the last day by 4 million shares, albeit with falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating a slightly elevated risk over the next few days. In total, 12 million shares were exchanged for approximately $231.59 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $54.68, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 63.20%, or $34.56, below the 52-week high, and 74.65%, or $59.26, below the all-time high recorded on March 26, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. Trump Media and Technology Group has filed for a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, indicating a strategic entry into the cryptocurrency market. The filing includes plans for a spot ETF aimed at holding Bitcoin directly, which could provide investors a new way to engage with this digital asset without the complexities tied to ownership. This decision aligns with broader efforts to deregulate the crypto space, potentially strengthening the company's position in a rapidly changing industry. In the short term, this news may spark heightened interest and trading activity around DJT shares, particularly among investors enthusiastic about cryptocurrency. Should the ETF receive approval, it could draw significant capital inflows, likely driving up the stock price as investor sentiment turns more positive. However, there are challenges to consider. Recent tensions between Donald Trump and Elon Musk regarding a tax bill have resulted in declines in stock prices for both Tesla and DJT. Such controversies could erode investor confidence and contribute to market volatility. Looking further ahead, if the Bitcoin ETF proves to be successful, it could open the door to more innovative financial products under the Trump Media brand, enhancing revenue potential. On the other hand, ongoing controversies and regulatory challenges may present risks that could influence shareholder sentiment and company valuations. Ultimately, the market's response will depend on the dynamics within the cryptocurrency sector and Trump's continued influence in the political arena. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group's stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate this stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal as the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $21.27 and $23.99. A breakout above either of these levels would issue buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 23, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 23.73%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased while prices were falling, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, indicating a sell signal. Pivots signaled a sell opportunity 31 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. Short-term moving average suggested a buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy opportunity 7 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average signaled a buy opportunity 10 days ago. Long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 81 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy opportunity 76 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $19.96, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This stock is likely to experience significant movement throughout the day, characterized by high volatility, and due to a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.21 between its high and low, which represents an 11.15% change. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 7.35%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $21.33. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $19.96. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of May, 2025, Eric Swider executed an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. On the same day, Philip Juhan performed an insider sale of 7,567 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. On that same day, Philip Juhan conducted another insider sale of 416 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. Again, on the 14th of May, Philip Juhan sold 36,774 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. Lastly, on the same day, Philip Juhan sold 248 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/100th of a cent per share. Analyzing the 68 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 20.927. In total, insiders acquired 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,937,448 shares over the last 68 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock has several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that the company will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 6th of June, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open higher by approximately 5 cents and start trading at $20.62. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.